Is it recording now? I ain't never seen it do that. Okay. Sorry. I think I'm on the edit in GarageBand anyway. What's up, guys? It's Jeff. And I had somebody ask me how quick I could have it set up and ready to use the EM Smart. So this is like any table that I would have at any show. So they're usually made out of wood. But if you know where everything's at, we can do it relatively quick. So you got to use these little guys right here to stand the base up. There's a little switch in there. There's a little switch in there that lets the machine know that the arm is up right. So if you go to a trade show or something of that nature, you can have it set up pretty quick. Got my power over here. Of course, but I'm not trying to break any records here, but this thing only weighs like 25 pounds, if that. It's pretty light. This case weighs way more with it in, but I guess you kind of want that, you know. Let me plug my power up here. So if we were to pull up to the flea market, I do a lot of gun shows, and so we'll turn it on. Always remember to take the lens cap off, and we can launch. Alright. So I'm going to be marking some magazines. And there's an adjustment here on the back that you raise. So I got a file here. My fat finger. And I mark a lot of these at the show. This got 110 millimeter working area. So I can get most of this without any problems whatsoever. And since these colors never run, and that's basically what we're going to do there. So we'll make sure we put our glasses on. And look at there. You see it's smoking a little bit. I'm in the garage because the laser in the big laser room is being used for something else. But oh, we got both doors open, so I don't think we're gonna suffer too bad. But do a couple of passes like that, and you're in good shape. So all in all, I charged $25 for this at the gun show. So I just made $15 in no time. This little thing is really cool. It comes in all kinds of colors. I got the gray one. But so we'll do it one more time for good measure, make sure that color sticks in there good. But the one thing I like about it is I mean, it's pretty fast. I mean, look at that. And then I don't know if you can zoom in on that clarity, but yeah. So it looks really good. And then throw another one up there on there. And you're marking. So I love this thing. The EM Smart. And nothing to go bad on it. The tube's got a 100,000 hour life, so it's good. That's one of the reasons I bought it. It ain't got nothing to worry about. There's only like 2 moving parts in the thing, and they're up here. It's got a couple fans in it, but other than that, I love it. So there's your answer to the question. In less than 6 minutes, I done made half a, So have a good day. In less than 6 minutes, I made $30 at the show. So that's always good. But subscribe and we'll put more videos on for you. Doing all kinds of stuff. Next time I think I'm going to do some slate coasters. You have a good night.